Hello, in this video we are going to learn about the newly launched feature inside BoloForms which gives admins and collaborators an option to edit the form response. So we heard from multiple of our customers that sometimes whenever the respondent fills in their data over here, so let us go over the data over here. So the data has some inaccuracies. As you can see, the spelling over here is not testing but it is testing. So this is a spelling mistake. Previously, there was not an option to change this. The response would remain the same. In case the respondent wants to update their data, they will have to fill up a new entry. But we have given an option to edit response for the admins and collaborators of the forms now, so that you can identify these mistakes and you can update the right data. So you just need to click on edit response. You need to edit whatever you want to. All the questions answers fields are over here. Currently we just have a text based field over here. You can edit all the text and you can click on save response. Once you click on save response, it will be refreshed, and now if we go over here, it has become testing. So the response has been updated. That is all about this feature that gives you an option as the admins and owners to edit a form response on behalf of the respondent. In this way, the respondent does not have to submit the form again, and you can use the same form entry to have further processes. Thank you.